kept your foot on the brake. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. So today I have Dee with me and it is her first driving lesson with me. So we're just going to have to get started straight away. So let's move off then when you're ready.
Okay. So I'm just kind of letting it carry me.
Now clutch up very slowly, yeah? You've already done your biting point, that's it. And second gear, clutch down.
Clutch down.
That's it, clutch up slowly.
And
it's easier to move off when you go down the hill,
yeah? Yeah.
Much easier. Okay, at the roundabout. We're just going to do first exit again, yeah?
Okay.
So as you approach the roundabout, you're first going to check the mirrors, the rear and the left mirror, and then you're going to signal. So you can do that now, get that out of the way.
Okay, and what exit are we taking again?
First exit. So
First
rear
exit.
left.
So
Rear left mirror.
rear
Left. Signal. Brake, 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 brake. And you're not going to change any gear, so no clutch. You're just going to look, and if it's clear, you're going to go in the left lane.
Okay.
In the left lane, that's it. Over to the left, that's it. And it's clear. That's it. And just keep going. Yep, that's it.
Okay.
And then you would just check that left mirror again before you turn off, yeah?
Okay, right. And there'll be more cyclists, or will there be
it's
someone?
just always just in case there's something there on the left, usually the cyclists,
Yeah, just because you're crossing over.
Yeah. So kind of like every time you steer the car in a different direction, check the side mirrors before you steer, because you're changing direction, yeah?
Okay.
A little bit of gas.
Yep.
And then at the end of this road, we're going to go left, yeah?
Yep. Okay. So it wouldn't be signaling now, would it?
No, make sure you can see where you're going first, so you can see the turn. That's it, so now, so check the rear left mirror, signal left, that's it, signal left, clutch down, a
little bit of brake.
Brake, put that signal back on, that's it, and try and stop at the light this time, that's it, and stop, that's it, good. What do you leave next?
I don't see anything coming from my right,
no,
I don't see anything coming from my head, so I take
right,
my foot off the brake.
No.
Oh, no, sorry, back to first.
Yeah, that's it.
Back to first.
Yeah. So you're on a hill again, so what's the first thing?
Foot off the brake and
That's
then
it.
carry me down.
That's it.
Okay.
Tiny bit of gas.
That's
That's
it.
it. That's it.
Okay.
And because you was at your turning point there where you stopped, you just want to turn as soon as you move off, yeah?
Okay, yeah. And so I can immediately.
Yeah, that's it. So you can go to second gear now. So off the gas, clutch down. Second gear, clutch up very slowly. Cover your brake because you're going down a hill.
Yeah.
Just cover the brake and keep the clutch down.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
That's it. Very steep hill.
Yeah. I wouldn't like to be a cyclist down this hill.
Stay pumping over to your side.
Yeah.
So you see it up ahead? We are going to be going left. Now you can only go left, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
So you can still signal though, just for any maybe pedestrians or anything that might want to know where you're going.
So clutch down and brake.
Brake. That's it, good. And
There's a car coming. So
that's it. And what do you do first?
Then I switch to first.
That's it, good.
Brake off.
That's it.
A little bit of bite.
And turn. That's it.
And commit to the turn.
Perfect. Then this is a one-way street, yeah? So straighten
and
out.
straighten out immediately.
That's it.
Oh, that's a brake.
That's
not
it,
the,
yeah.
Yeah, it's not the
That's it.
accelerator.
A little bit of gas.
Yeah, touch of gas.
And change the gear.
Yeah, down.
That's it, good.
Clutch off, second. No pedestrians.
Yeah, when all the pedestrians start coming out.
Yeah, that'll be the real challenge, I feel.
They don't look on this road, they just walk across.
Yeah, I suppose when you're used to, more experienced drivers, I guess.
No, not me.
Well, no, just in general. People with their cars as well, I suppose. You expect people to have a little bit of cop on, but I'm sorely in need of some cop on. So. Oh, and then it's coming. Do I keep my brake on standby, or
you can just
keep
go
on
to the
accelerator?
hill on the left, that's it. That's fine. Okay, at the end of the road, you're going to go left, yeah?
Okay. So I will do look behind, rear, left, indicate,
Yeah, that's it.
and then move over to the
Very good, but just need to be a bit more gentle on the brake there.
Yeah.
What now? Back to first gear.
So back first.
A little bit of
A
gas.
little bit of gas. Find the bite, and there's
That's
nothing
it.
coming there. Oh, there is
That's
something
it.
coming there,
Fine,
but I
it's
need to
fine, it's
commit.
fine. Clutch it all the way up. That's it.
Yeah, and then
Touch
second.
down. That's it. Very good. So you just need to be more gentle on the brake when you're actually stopping there at the end of the road.
Yeah, I just need to find
where it is.
Yeah, or how much pressure I should be applying at any one time.
Go up to third.
Yeah. Down, neutral.
So off the gas. Off the
sorry.
gas there. For the,
Yeah, completely forgot about the gas.
That's fine. A little bit of gas. A bit more. That's it. And you're just following the road around this bend here.
Yeah. A little bit off the gas for
That's
now.
it.
Yeah.
And we're going to take a left turn coming up after this bend.
Okay, this one here.
Yep, that's it. Check
Rear
the
left.
mirrors.
Clutch down.
Brake gently, brake. Should we change into second? Go to second.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Off the brake a little bit. That's it. Change to second. Change. That's it. Is the clutch down fully? No. Bit more turn.
Yeah.
That's it. Change. That's it.
Yeah.
And clutch up. That's it.
Clutch
A bit of gas.
A little bit of gas.
That's it. And straighten up. So the only thing there was the clutch wasn't down when you were trying to change the gear. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
it.
absolutely. I think that's possibly the first time I've ever had that problem. It's always taking the gas off the gas of the brake is always
It just takes practice. That's all.
there's always room for some new mistake.
So these speed bumps on this road are very high. Okay.
Yeah, so take it easy.
So just go over really, really slowly. So off the gas, brake gently. Can you see how bad they are? Brake a little bit more.
Wow.
That's it. And off. You kept your foot on the brake. So put the handbrake on. Put the clutch all the way down and back to neutral.
Okay, back to neutral.
That's it. That's it. Clutch all the way down. Yeah, just stop. That's it. Just start the car now. So it's very, very high speed bump, isn't it? Yeah. Just let's roll back because you're going to find it really difficult otherwise. Just take your foot off the brake.
Yeah.
That's it. Oh, it's not. That's it.
And back on the brake.
So the only problem there was that you just braked and you didn't take your foot off when you was going over, yeah? And then you probably braked too hard as well. So first gear, clutch down all the way.
First gear.
That's it. A little bit of gas. You've got to find your biting point now.
Okay, so
And you're going to release the handbrake. That's it. Release the handbrake. Release the handbrake. That's it. A little bit of gas. Clutch up to the biting point. That's it. Hold it there. A little bit more gas. That's it. A bit more. That's it.
oh, there we go. Oh yeah, that is
I
high.
had one foot there on the clutch there. Second gear. Clutch down. That's it. Gas was on again there, yeah? For the changing of the gear. That's it. A little bit of gas. So what you want to do, you don't want to have your foot on the brake as you're going over. So off the brake, off the gas now. That's it. That's it. And just roll over. That's it. A little bit of gas now. Back on the gas. But you see, because it's so high, if you don't press the gas when you're going over it after you've gone over it, you're going to not have any power to continue.
Oh, thank you.
That's it. So off the gas, brake gently now. That's it now. Off the brake. That's it. And that's it. A little bit of gas now. That's it.
Once I'm kind of the first wheel's over.
That's it. I don't know why these speed bumps are so high.
Well, I suppose they're doing their job then, you know.
Off the gas.
The gas,
Brake gently.
brake a touch.
Off the brake now. That's it. That's it. Okay, at the end of the road, we are going to go left.
So rear, left, indicate.
And try and stop at the line.
Yeah. So clutch down.
That's it. Away from the parked car.
Away from the car.
That's it. And straighten up. And try and stop there at the line. What next?
First gear.
Very good.
Take a look to my right. See if there's anything coming. There's nothing coming.
What next?
And then I take my foot off the brake.
Yep.
Touch of gas.
Hold
And
the clutch. Hold it there and turn. That's it. Perfect.
rear.
Clutch up a little bit more.
Oh,
That's it. And change your gear off the gas completely. Clutch
Gas
down. That's it. Clutch up. That's it.
Second. I get complacent and I'm right foot on the gas the entire time.